this quick video, you are going to see how to install apps on SD card on Android. So to do that, me show you. If you have already downloaded some APK files, so you can just transfer them via tapping on them and then just move to your SD card folder. Like there can be seen it in SD card. So if you have inserted an SD card, you will can just move it in here. And then there's another way you can directly download your files in your SD card via just by changing the download path. And let me show you in the file manager, my files. Just go to your download path, and here you have to change the download path for your APK files. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.